Hello Udemy, I'm Shakzee from Shakzee.com and welcome in lecture number 23rd. Today we are going to learn the functions in PHP. So first of all, what are the functions? You can minimize your code or you can concise your code by using functions. Okay, so I am removing these line of code. So you always write echo. Make sure this is the function. Echo is a function and PHP providing thousands of built-in function. Make sure before starting there are two types of function. One, the built-in function. Second, the user-defined functions. PHP providing thousands of functions like echo, die, and exit. These are the built-in functions. Okay, so you don't know where is the code and how it's working. You are just calling by function name. Okay, so how can you create your own function? First of all, which is a user defined function, you can use the function keyword and then function name, function name, then two braces and your body. Okay, and your code goes here. Okay, so you can define your own functions like this. And why you need to write your functions? For suppose we always echoing like this. Okay, so if I want to repeat this code, so I have to copy this and paste this code 5 times, 7 times or 10 times. So why you are r- writing the code again and again? So the solution is you can create a function. For suppose function, and in this time I'm saying generate string, I'm saying my string, and here is the body, and I'm saying working. Go to your page, refresh the page, you can see it's not working fine because you have just written the function. But you have to call that functions at everywhere in this index.php file. I'm saying my string, okay, refresh the page, you can see it's working fine. You can call as many time as you can. Okay, refresh the page. Okay, working fine, working fine. Okay, so in this way you can call your functions which you have just defined above. Okay, so for suppose you always add two things, you have two variables and you want to add two things. For suppose, so I'm saying add 1 equals to 10, and I'm saying second equals to 20, and you can echo your 1 plus 1 plus 2. This is second, and you can call your function. Refresh the page, it's now working fine. So this is the basic things, or this is the basic how can you create your function and how can you call your functions. In the next lecture we are going to learn how can you pass the parameters by calling your functions and why you need to call your, so these are the static values. So how can you create your dynamic functions, or in simple words, how can you pass your arguments by calling your specific functions. Make sure you always, whenever you want to write your functions, you have to start from by using dash. For suppose add, you cannot use the letter by creating any type of function. For suppose function, so it's illegal, so that's why you have to write your functions like this, my functions. Or if you are using the underscore, you can also use the underscore. Okay, so it's totally depend upon you, but I'm just telling you. Okay, so in the next lecture we learn how can we pass the parameters by calling a specific function. So thank you for watching.